10,
9,
8, 7, 6,
5, 4,
3,
2, 1, 0.
Traffic, keep left, and more. Whenever you want, on demand, custom mix, commercial-free music channels from nearly every genre to suit your mood. Stream over 25 extra channels, from rock and roll Hall of Fame radio to party music channels. Get the Sirius XM app and experience radio and all. Oh yeah, speaking of 35 there, dude. From the deafening noise of your daily routine
To the all-acoustic world of SiriusXM
unplugged
and Legends covered.
All right, it's cruise day. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. And we're ready to travel on the Norwegian Getaway.
Oh, the fun of waiting to get on the ship. All 3,500 of us or so.
All right, up the gangway here. All right, last corner. We are on the ship. We are on board. Hello, thank you. All right, we are on. Let's start. This is one thing. You always take the stairs. The elevators you'll be here forever. Stairs, stairs, stairs. All right, we're on the top of the ship. We got the zip lines right there. And then these drop water slides. They're supposed to be the fastest on the sea as of right now till the next big ships come out. Going down the walking and jogging track. Get a good overview of the Norwegian Getaway. Before the crowds hit. Those are some serious water slides there. Got the kids pool area. Well, we're on the sun deck. This is the highest part of the ship that you can actually stand, unless you consider standing over there on the water slides and the drop slide. There, the green track and the blue track are the highest points on the ship that you can get to. And you got the zip line behind there. And the adults pool only. Because if you're a kid, they will kick you out, which has already happened. This is the front of the ship. This is the Vibe Beach Club. This is where all the high rollers are at. Well, we made it to the front of the ship. There's the heliport right there. Everybody's getting excited. Got a couple more hours before we head out of here. And there we go. Up near the back of the ship here, they got like a trampoline bouncy thing. I guess you can flip up and down. A couple regular slides. There's the zip lining. Come out here and shoot a few hoops. They got a putt-putt course up here. Pirates and skeletons. This zip line goes from one side of the ship, of course, past the rock climbing wall, to the other side. Well, made it to the back of the ship. H2O. Got a couple of hot tubs out here. And of course, bars everywhere. Be a lot of partying out here. Giant screen. There they have a teen lounge in here. Teens only, 13 to 17 years old. Nice little lounge for them. We got Xbox games over there. Air hockey, dance floor. All this is on deck 16 if I failed to mention the arcade here. Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville at Sea. One of the many dining places on the ship. For those who want to work off what they're eating here, the personal gym and spa.
How you doing, guys?
There we go, we're down in the spa. If you want facials, pedicures, manicures, rocks on your back, whatever you want, it's here. All right, I've made it to my room, 10403. I got an inside cabin because that's the way I roll. All right, there we go. We're in. I've already put my stuff in here. Key card. For those you don't know, stick that. Lights come on. And there we go. My inside cabin. Double bed. Small little closet with a shower over here. Let me see. I'll look over here with my shower. Shower. Oh, not a bad. Good sized bathroom. Oh, almost fell. Alright. Good sized showers. You got handles. Place to hang your wet bathing suits and stuff. Hey, how we doing? All right. I was gonna say I thought it was complimentary, but the water's $5.50, and actually they're both $5.50. Maybe the champagne might be free. Who knows? Yep, there's my home for the next 7 days. All right, we're getting ready for the muster drill, so we get to put on these lovely, bulky, choking life vests. So, open this baby up around your neck, into the Velcro, get your strap, adjust that, bring it around your back. Oh, thank God they're adjustable. Slip that baby in, and we are done. Ugh. Hope we don't have to use these things. The La Cocina. It's an Italian restaurant. Making our way to the atrium, the main staircase of the ship. I got a wasabi bar over here. I guess this would be the grand staircase. Gambling down there. Heading into some duty-free stuff now. Watches and jewelry. And they got all kinds of camera gear you can purchase here. This is where you get all your photos from. Everybody's got a room number here. You just go to your room number, pick it out, and look at all the photos of yourselves. And then if you want to, buy it. We got some nice cameras for sale here. The time zone, the jewelry box, watches and jewelry. Perfume and liquor. All right, fancy dining at the steakhouse here. Very nice. And you get to see the back of the ship back there. Great view. So right off the main dining hall, you can eat outside here with a nice steak dinner. A good view of the water as we're heading out to sea. But right now all you see is Miami. They got these glass walkways you can walk across down to the water below. That's pretty cool. I'm on deck 8 and this goes around the entire ship. We're on the back of this ship here. Flag of the Bahamas. If you're feeling lucky, come down to deck number 7. Play a little blackjack, slot machines, roulette, and then cash out. All right, we found the bowling alley. And we're gonna, this lady's gonna show you how it's done, right? You're gonna,
It's just my strike.
oh, well, we're gonna see another strike here. That is pretty cool. Look at this thing.
It's tough.
That's all right. Let her rip. Oh, there you go. Not bad. All right, and deck 7, or where all the lifeboats are at. Came down to the Garden Cafe. There's desserts. There's so much food. This is all the free food. Not like at the fancier restaurants. But this wraps around the entire ship. Hot dogs, hamburgers, tacos, salad bar. Prime rib. Seafood, steak. Probably not grade A steak, but a lot of bread. Chicken. Alright, it's muster station assembly drill. I'm at the Ocean's Bar and Grill, B5. Here we are, B5. Now we just wait for the drill. Alright, we are finally on our way. All the drills are over. Everybody's happy now. We're partying. So small houses with their small boats along over there. A lot of traffic on the highway. This is the highway they use when they do the some of the NCIS shots. Miami Vice. This is the road they use. All these nice yachts out here.
I don't know if I jumped down. No. I might jump.
All the cars aboard the ferry.
I've jumped some pretty high jumps.
And we're passing by this guy's small yacht right here.
Yeah, like I said, I take a good skiff.
Wow, look at this.
Girl, that thing's got to be like a 140 footer or something. I don't know. That thing's pretty big.
Wow, that is beautiful.
Oh my gosh, look at the
Even the one next to it.
hot tub.
Passing all the condos here. Miami, South Beach, all in 7 days. Maybe not. Welcome aboard. Before somebody eats it, get a good picture of this. Well, you can barely see Miami in the background as day 1 and sunset is upon us. Nighttime. It's slowly winding down. And we got a half moon tonight. Nice breeze. People are slowly turning into bed. They've had a long day. Few stragglers at the bar. Well, I don't know how good you can hear me if the wind's blowing too hard, but that's basically the end of day 1. It was a long day. Started real early this morning, but we're underway on our 7-day cruise here on the Norwegian Getaway. So we'll have some more video for you here. Tomorrow's a sea day, so basically just around the ship. All right, and on that note, traveler out.